Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to upload any video or audio file for transcription using Konch. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Konch account. Step 2. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Look for the Upload your audio or video file option in a square button right at the top of the page. Click on that button to continue. Step 3. Now, you'll have the option to either drag and drop your file or select a file from your computer. Choose whichever method works best for you. Step 4. Next, browse your desktop or computer to find the video or all audio file you want to transcribe. Select your file, and it'll be uploaded. Step 5. After your file is uploaded, select your preferred language for transcription. In just a few minutes, your transcript will be ready and available on your dashboard. Konch supports a wide variety of file formats, so no need to worry about compatibility. Our software ensures smooth transcription for almost any type of media file. That's it. You've successfully uploaded your file and are ready to work with your transcript. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials, and thank you for using Konch.